Hi everyone, KNWA and Fox 24 Chief Meteorologist Dan Scoff in the Weather Center. I've been here throughout the morning watching the radar. We have some non-severe thunderstorms that rolled through northwest Arkansas and the River Valley, but we are expecting another round of severe storms, possibly a little more significant, moving through the northwest Arkansas River Valley area. Let me get you caught up on the latest. We'll make this rather quick because I know you're probably busy on a Sunday afternoon. Time of this recording was a little after the noon hour. Storms are likely this afternoon until the late evening hours. Threats do include strong tornadoes. That includes a few long-track tornadoes, meaning they'll stay on the ground for a long time. And when we say strong tornadoes, the actual definition of that is EF2 to EF5 tornadoes. We obviously can't tell if that will occur for sure, but the chance is definitely there. The environmental conditions are very favorable. Also very large hail and damaging winds. As we take a look at the tornado risk, you'll see that it has been shifted just slightly a little farther east. It does include the majority of our viewing area. Extreme eastern Oklahoma, not under that risk at the moment. The dry line is not moving very quickly. I'll show you that in just a bit as well. Large hail threat is in the same area as that moderate risk of severe weather. And as we look at the satellite and radar, we had numerous thunderstorms this morning across the northwest Arkansas area. Those are not severe, and they are moving out. We also have thunderstorms currently affecting the River Valley and the Fort Smith area. Those are also not severe, but providing quite a bit of lightning, and I'm sure some of you might be getting concerned with that. Notice how the sky is clearing off to the west. In fact, we'll zoom out a little more, and you can see a clearing sky along with a dry line that is still remaining just to the west of Oklahoma City, or it starts to nudge east of Oklahoma City. So there is some clearing ahead of that dry line. That's where the moisture and the dew points are rather high, and there's also some dust that's getting kicked up in the Texas Panhandle. That's an indication that this system is just now starting to churn. Look at the low-level spin on that circulation. That's a strong system. Moisture is rather significant. Dew points are in the middle to upper 60s. Lower 70s could be expected in parts of the viewing area as well, and that is an extremely high dew point content. As we look here at our satellite and radar, you'll notice that the spin and the swirl of that low pressure system is really churning, and thunderstorms are expected to rapidly develop. And as you look at the water vapor, boy, it just doesn't get any more impressive than this. Very tight low pressure system to the northwest of us, slowing down, negative tilt. You got strong jet stream winds that are blasting in from the south, from the northwest, racing eastward and then turning to the northeast. And as we look here at the future track, I'm going to show you by about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you'll notice a few isolated storms moving into the southwestern sections of Delaware County. Those could track and clip western Benton County. More thunderstorms that develop, and these are all isolated supercells, meaning the potential for the severe weather is rather great with those, but it's not going to affect a huge area. Notice how the storms by 5 o'clock start to shift off to the east, but still remain and track with multiple supercells in central and eastern sections of the northwest Arkansas area. So needless to say, it's going to be a busy afternoon into the evening. Severe weather conditions are rather favorable. Once we do start severe weather coverage, which is going to possibly be continuous, most likely, we are going to have our streaming, live streaming video. That's going to be located at nwahomepage.com/live stream. This is a web screenshot image of these storms. Here you can see nwahomepage.com, and we'll also provide our chat as well. So you'll be able to get your questions answered immediately during that severe weather coverage. So we're gearing up here. We'll have a fully staffed weather center as the storms begin to develop in eastern Oklahoma, and we'll be tracking them here. We'll be on the air, online, and on your side here with your Northwest Arkansas Weather Authority. Keep it here. We'll keep you safe.